Hello there. Welcome to Sports Science. My name is Keanu Mendoza. Hope you all enjoy the show. Let's pass it over to my co-host.
Thank you, sir. I'm going to be your co-host tonight. My name is Uncle Vince. It's going to be a really good representation of physics. We're going to play some nice sports that are not made in the USA. This show is, though. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have the 5'9", solid, 145-pound lady killer, Ricardo Antonio Jose Juan Ricardo Jose Antonio Fernando the Seventh.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you, weighing in at 140 pounds, this man is 5'10", just pure class. See more butts is the name, golf is the game.
Soccer. The word's beautiful game. For our first law of physics, we looked at projectile motion. So you might think, where's projectile motion in soccer? First off, everywhere. Every time the ball is kicked, the ball is a projectile, making a parabolic curve. The speed at which it is kicked and the angle at which it is kicked determines how far that ball will go. Let's turn it over to video for an easier visual.
Got me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear yak, 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 yak.
Man down, where you from?
So, every time a soccer ball is traveling through the air, what actually happens scientifically when your ball makes contact with your head? Elastic collisions are when two objects collide, sending each other back to where they originally came from, like so. Anyways, kinetic energy remains the same throughout the whole process. Thanks, buddy. Elastic collisions. Keanu Mendoza, Sports Science.
Last seen in a little black dress. Watch out for those eyes, cause she's armed and dangerous. Like bow, hit you with that.
Wow, what a header.
Now, we examine the bicycle kick.
There's one more thing we haven't talked about, and that's external forces. You might ask, how is it changing all these directions? Is it a kick? Is it a head? Is it a chest? When an object's traveling in a direction, another object hits it, causing it to go in that direction of the object that hit it. For an easier visual, let's see this video. It's quite a shot. Well, that's it for soccer. I'm going to hand it over to my good friend Vince. He's going to tell you a little bit about golf.
Excellent work there, Keanu. Now, I know you all loved learning about soccer so much. I mean, who doesn't? But now we're going to take it to the real show. It's time for some golf. Come on, let's go, baby. With Uncle Vince. Come on, golf time. You love it. Let's go.
Code red, code red, code red, code red, code red, code red.
Alright, now when you hit those golf links, all you want to do is just play, get on that course, roll that ball on those greens. But, you got to learn about it a little bit first. Alright, that ball, it doesn't just glide into that hole like we all think it does. I mean, there is some friction. It's not frictionless. Lots of friction. It alters the velocity on the grass. I mean, why do you think they cut that grass so short? Through some state-of-the-art technology we have here at Sports Science. I'm going to show you this ball in the hole, rolling on that lawn, and dropping into that hole. Let's check it out.
One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now over me.
Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. I know you loved hearing about that golf. Guess what? I'm going to tell you more about it. When you swing that club, you're going to make a circle. See that circle made? When you make that circle with that club, you are creating a tangential velocity. And in that tangential velocity, there's a couple things determine the speed of the tangential velocity. Alright, so there's the radius, the length of my arms, and the length of this fine golf club, all together in one. So when you swing that around the circle, you're going to want to know how long it takes for the club to travel around that entire circle, okay? And then you're going to take those points, you're going to take that information, and you're going to put it in that equation, and you're going to solve it. That's physics. Let's go. Come on.
Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but
This one's for a meal.
You know what really doesn't tickle my pickle? When the ball is rolling in that hole and it just pops out. Just, oh, God. It's rolling, and it travels right around that circle. And when it leaves that circle, it's going to travel in a line tangent to that circle. So if this is a circle, and the ball leaves that circle, it's going to leave at a tangent line to that circle. Let's check it out. This grinds my gears.